So for today's video is gonna be the VANS challenge. If you haven't seen the VANS challenge, basically rumor has it if you throw the VANS upside down or however way, they always land right side up. Today we're gonna prove that right or wrong. I don't know if it's true. I've seen a couple of videos that have done it. I've seen a couple of videos that have failed. So today we're gonna see. I do have a low, a mid, and then a high. So let's put them to the test. Comment down below which one do you guys think will do the best, which one do you think will do the worst. If you think they'll all do the same, if it's a positive, it's a negative, that's what we're gonna find out today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Let's get it, guys. So for the first part, we're gonna start off with the lows. I have a pair of denim lows, like the denim new eras, and then we have the leather authentics. Let's give it a try. Test one. All right, as you see, all four. Let's do it another try. Let's give it a little flip around. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We have a fail number one already. Fail number one. So it seems like maybe the leather might do them wrong. Let's give these a little flip. Oh, it did it. Let's give these a little flip. Oh, now that one could be flawed just because I do flip it up a certain way. It could just honestly land like a pancake. But for the most part, it seems like if you just kind of give them a toss, they end up landing straight right. Now for phase two, we have the mids or the old schools. Let's see if these make a difference or not. Already off rip, we have a fail. Let's try it again. Okay. Let's give it a 2 out of 3. Little flip. All right, seems like it's winning. One more try. That was a fail, but let's give it one more time. We'll give this a pass though. And last but not least, we have the skate high or the high top version. Now the thing about these is these are brand new and the leather is honestly buttery soft. I feel like these are gonna fail every single time. I am wearing a pair of VANS myself. These are a little bit sturdy, so I'm gonna throw this in the mix. I wasn't planning on it, but I just have a feeling that these are gonna fail every single time. Let's give it a try. And as I predicted, it did fail. This one didn't, so let's just try these two. Let's get that one out of the way. 2 skate highs, throw them up, land everything. Another try. One more. Oh, the black one failed. Seems like for the most part they are landing on it, but to be honest, I think we're just missing something. So like I said, it just wasn't cutting it for some reason. But I think this might be cutting it. Let's go see. Security cover. Yeah, I think this is perfect height to see if these actually flop or they drop. So let's do it. So I'm gonna quickly head downstairs, get a perspective angle for you guys. My buddy's gonna throw it off. Let's head downstairs.
There he is. You ready? All right, guys. 1, 2, 3.
Fail.
Looks like only one of them fell. Let's see what she got.
Well, there you guys have it, the VANS challenge. We did the low tops, we did the high tops, we did the mid tops, and we even did it from 6 stories high, 60 feet up. And as we saw, it's either a hit or miss. So I feel like this is kind of a busted fail. No, it does not land 100%. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. If you guys did it on your own, if you tried it, whatever the case may be. Also, make sure you guys check out link down below, emcvlogs.com. I have 100 vintage items. Every single purchase does help support make these daily videos. So I appreciate every single one of you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember, we post every single day at 8 p.m. And don't forget, guys, let's get it.